Hey fam, it's your boy Josawo here again with another banger video as always. So in this video I'm going to try to flip this $75 into something massive. Okay, so what we are basically going to do is, like you already know, we only trade this 4 pairs, okay? BTC, Ethereum, ZAO and that of GBP. So let's try to see if we can get a trade on gold. This is the hour 1 time frame, okay? This is the hour 1 time frame. So from this time frame, basically we're having what? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we're expecting to have another higher high. Okay, so ZAO is currently in what? An uptrend. Okay, but from our RSI and moving average here, from the snapper entry strategy, currently what ZAO is what? Selling. Okay, but now we are seeing what the RSI is retracing back towards the 34 moving average to move to the upside. So we want an extra confirmation again. We want to see what is basically what's happening. So from the 15 minutes, there's already what? A crossover. Okay, but from the 30 minutes, we are still seeing here a shift back. So what we want to do is, like, we want to enter now for our buy trade. Okay, so we are going to be using 0.1 because of the account size. This is so little. It's so little, so we need to use 0.1. Alright, we need to use 0.1. So let's put in our buy trade. So we have basically opened what? 4 trades. Okay, the broker which I'm using is going, the link is in the description, and I'm using leverage of 1:1 unlimited. If you want to use the same broker and the same leverage, kindly ensure to click the link in the description, create your account, verify your email, your phone number, alright, and you upload your ID and you are good to go. Okay, you can basically join. You can also join the Telegram community using the link in the description as well. It is totally free. Okay, so let's see how this trade is going to play out. We are planning to flip this $75 into something massive. You know how we do it here. Okay, so guys, let's wait and see what is basically what's going to happen with this trade, and I will get back to you guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, our ZAO trade is currently running mad profit, as you basically can see. Let's look at what happened. As soon as I did the entry, alright, then it was what? Fab, the market moved toward the upside. Okay, so now you are saying we are not trying to have what? A crossover here. This is just to say like what? Market is going to continue to what? Move toward the upside. So let's go to what? The 30-minute time frame. You see there's a crossover, so there's possibility of what? Price moving up to this side or this side. So what I want to do now is just I want to add another trade again. Okay, we want to add another trade so we can basically move this account to something very huge. Okay, I can move this account to something really huge. Alright, so this is what we are trying to basically do, because definitely this market is going to continue to what? Move to the upside. So now we have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 trades. Okay, we just want to keep stacking. Okay guys, so this is what you are basically saying. Alright, this is basically what you are saying. Alright, please just know that you just need to know your stuff. Trading is not as difficult as it seems, and I have good news for you guys. Alright, the Forex for beginners, alright, for newbies book is coming out, guys. You don't want to miss this book, so ensure you subscribe to the channel so you get more details about that. Okay, so our $75 in less than just 10 minutes is now 274, alright, dollar. This is massive, right? This is massive. So this is basically how we trade a small account. This is actually how you can flip an account. Okay, so this is basically how you can flip an account very fast, guys. This is how you can flip an account very fast. So we are expecting the market to pump to the upside more, because why is it going to pump to the upside? If you come to the higher time frames, okay, you see there's crossover, and the crossover, the RSI is above. Okay, I want you to watch this strategy. Just look at the video. The RSI is still trying to pump to the upside. If you are seeing like a kind of retracement, then it's showing like the buyers are losing momentum like this, but you are seeing like what? There is no kind of momentum. They want to push. Okay, so we must also pay attention to this structure here. We must also pay attention to this structure. Okay, we must pay attention to this structure. Okay, there is possible what? Reversal alright, point. Okay, this might be another reversal point at this particular what region, or it's going to basically what break. Okay, it's going to basically what break this structure, this our resistance zone here. Then definitely it's a buy full margin. Okay, so this is basically how we do stuff. This is basically how we flip. This is just what less than 15 minutes even. Okay, less than 15 minutes. This account has already been flipped from $75 to this is almost $300 now. See, right? $300. So this is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it, baba. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. So you can basically expect a retracement from this particular point. Let's see the hour 4. So the hour 4 is like basically like this and all. So even with the hour 4, you can see still the buying is going towards continue. Okay, the buying is going towards continue still from the hour 4. So let's see this here. We might close and look for another entry again, alright, because with this kind of account size you want to basically take your time, scalp. So now price is moving to this zone. My fear is I'm expecting price to make a little bit of what retracements back. Don't forget with this structure, okay, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is going to form like another higher high, but there's possibility of what retracement, okay, of price what retracing again. Okay, so what we are going to do, guys, we are going to close our position. Okay, so our $75 is currently what $317, and we are going to look for what another entry. Okay, we are going to look for another entry. Let's try to see what is happening with Ethereum. Okay, let's try to see what is happening with Ethereum. We trade all, as long as you are good with your stuff, you can trade whatever you want to basically trade. So we are just going to do another entry again for Ethereum, then after which we'll see what happens next. So this is the H1 for Ethereum. Okay, let's go to the H4. So we are seeing like Ethereum is what kind of like downtrend. This is what an uptrend, the 30 minutes. Let's go to the 15 minutes and let's see what is happening. So the best area we should have entered for a buy is basically from here after this crossover. Okay, because we saw what the market was move towards the upside. The market moved towards the upside. So now let's say we don't need to force. So it is good we wait for what gold. Okay, wait for what Zao to do this stuff again. Okay, so let's go to this H1. If Zao breaks the structure, then we are going to add in more. We are going to enter a position. So let's see how this is going to play out. Let's not rush. When flipping an account, you have to take your time. Alright, so I want to say if there's going to be a retracement, we are going with a retracement, we are going to sell. Okay, let's see how this plays out, guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, our $75 is currently $317, and I just found another entry again on what BTC. This is our one time frame. Okay, so we are currently seeing what BTC trying to what this is lower low, right? Trying to form a lower high and another lower low. With currently, as you are seeing from what this we are currently seeing from the moving average here and that of the RSI. The RSI is below the 34 moving average, right? So let's go to the lower time frame and let's see what is basically happening. So what there is a crossover from the 15-minute time frame. You can see what the price is what's currently in what an up direction. Okay, higher high. This is another higher low, so they are trying to form another higher high again. All right, so we need to have a valid confirmation before ever we try to jump into something. So there's a crossover here, but when it comes to the H1 is still trying to show us like what this is not already being confirmed yet. Okay, so we want to enter for our buy trade. Okay, we want to enter for our buy trade if what we have like what this solid crossover. Okay, so we are still looking for extra confirmation. You don't want to just enter like that. Okay, you need to have what solid confirmation again. So from the 30 minutes there's a crossover toward the upside. So in that light, let's just enter with little, and we are going to keep stacking as we are going. Okay, you don't want to enter what full margin. You want to be going systematically, and as the market is moving up, let's say if the market what passes this zone, then you are expecting price to move up toward this region here. Okay, you're expecting price to move up toward this region here, so you can put in some buy stop orders at this particular point. But for the time being, we need to watch this trade and see how it's going. If the market keeps moving up, I'm just going to add more positions here. Alright, the market keeps moving up, I'll just add more positions here, and you will see about what is going to happen.
A few moments later.
So guys, unfortunately our $75 account has been blown. Yeah, so the thing is, like, after entering the trade and all, I was like very busy. I'm currently working on a very serious project, right? A Forex book for beginners, which is going to be out really soon, alright? So the funniest thing is I don't set stop loss and all. The market was against us, and later it moved to our direction up to like $400, and all of a sudden I was like, let me just leave it. So I just woke up this morning and I saw like zero balance at all. You see, this is what the $333 was blown after our orders. They are all like what filled. Alright, we put in some buy stops and everything, and all like this was like, yeah, blown off. So this basically like, yeah, I'm just like being able to you. When we flip account successfully, I'm gonna share with the community, and when like we have failure, it's always not gonna be about winning. Okay, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. $75 is like nothing because I was able to flip it up to 300. Alright, just that I was busy. And also the lesson that I basically learned is like, sometimes if you are scalping, you just stay in front of your trades, or for you to avoid loss, if you know you can't basically afford to risk your $75 or your money which you deposit, ensure you try to set a stop loss, okay, and put a TP, or you'll be satisfied. Like, I was a little bit greedy because from 300 the account moved to like 400. I was supposed to close the trade and try to look for another entry later when I have time, but I did not, and I lost the entire account. But let me know, just drop like the next flipping you want me to do, okay? Someone was requesting from $50 to $1,000, so definitely it's going to be done. Let me just know from what amount to what amount do you want me to flip in the comment section. And also guys, you can join our WhatsApp chat community. Alright, the link is in the description. Just use the link in the description to join, and you're going to get and what updates. Okay, so guys, basically this is it about the update from the $75 to something massive. Okay, stay blessed and see you in upcoming videos.